Hello, my name is Alex, and today we're going to show you how to replace a genuine dual bulb door bottom on a Therma-Tru door system. Let's get started. The first step is to remove the door slab from the jamb. We will remove the hinge pins starting with the bottom hinge, working up to the top hinge. You may want to put a protective cover on a stable surface so your door does not get damaged. Then lay the door slab flat on a stable surface. The next step is to gently slide a putty knife between the door bottom and the bottom edge of the door slab, gently prying the old door bottom off. When using the putty knife, make sure to point the blade away from you. We recommend using pliers to remove any existing staples. Next, scrape the bottom edge of the door with the putty knife to remove any existing sealant. Remember to point the putty knife away from you. Next, apply elastomeric or polyurethane sealant in a U pattern to both ends of the door bottom. Make sure the door bottom is flush with the first end of the door slab and install a 1/4 by 3/4 inch staple at the end. Now align the opposite end of the door bottom with the edge of the slab and staple. Press the rail groove starting at both ends, working toward the center. When using the staple gun, make sure to place your free hand a clear and safe distance away. The final step is to rehang the door slab by aligning the hinge leaves and reinserting the hinge pins. You may need to adjust the threshold after you've replaced the door bottom to ensure proper seal. We have now successfully replaced a dual bulb door bottom. If you have any further questions, please contact us. You can email us at customersupport@thermatru.com. Call us at 800-843-7628, or you can visit our website at www.thermatru.com.